Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode on, and the icon will change the color. It will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon at the top of the watch face. It's barely visible because of the logo, but let me change the watch face to something else. And here it's gonna be more visible, as you can see. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon will change the color, the message Do Not Disturb mode off will appear at the top of the screen, and if you go back to watch face, the icon will disappear from the watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.